Hello guys! Finally, I received my new iPhone 13. Dan of course, it's the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Yay! I'm gonna unbox it now and I will tell you my review about this new amazing iPhone 13. Okay, stay tuned. Apple just launched the latest version of their product last Friday, the 24th of September, and I got really lucky that I got my product, my order delivered today on Sunday. Well, I was supposed to get it yesterday on Saturday, but they said there is a lot of traffic for the deliveries, so it got delayed one day. But it's okay, I can wait because this product definitely worth waiting, guys. I got the one in Sierra Blue, and apparently this color is really popular because it got sold very quickly. And in this product, we only received the wire for the charging and of course the pin to insert the SIM card. Okay, it doesn't have the head of the plug head, because that's why this product, the packaging is really thin. And from the Apple launch event, they are mentioning that this screen is made from the ceramic, so it's anti-scratch, so it doesn't scratch really easy. It doesn't scratch at all. And on the side is very shiny, guys. I love it. You know, I love everything shiny. And the speaker is in the bottom and the antenna, and also the magic things in this product is the camera. I got the iPhone 13 Pro Max, so I'm just gonna set it up, okay, so I can use it and show you how is the new iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay, as the first setup, of course you need to choose your preferred language, and for me I'm gonna choose English. And after that you have to select your region, you have to select your keyboard preference, everything about that. So in here I'm just gonna quickly set up the basic, which is basically for you just to answer and choose all the preference that you like, that you want to have, and then quickly you can use your iPhone. Okay, and then we can go to the review about this new iPhone Pro Max 13 Pro Max. I'm gonna need to set up my Face ID now, so I'm gonna set it up quickly, the Face ID, so I don't need to go back again later. I think this is also what I suggest for you. While you go through to the setting one by one, you set up everything one by one and follow the step. Okay, it's super easy to set up the Face ID for the new iPhone user. You just follow the guideline because it's very clear there. Move data from Android, transfer, restore from iCloud ya, babe? I'm going to restore all my data from iCloud, so I'm gonna retrieve it to this phone, okay, and move it to this phone, so I don't have to, you know, re-add it again manually. So this is the benefit of having a huge iCloud. So you just need to accept the term and condition because it's, you know, it's not gonna harm you at all. And then, but watch out, you need to check about the privacy as well, if maybe there is certain privacy you want to keep, so you have to really doing the step by step perfectly. Here's the specification of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. The weight of this product is 238 grams. It's not so heavy, but when you feel it like for a long time, it's quite heavy. And the length is 6.7 inches, guys. And you can see here that the power adapter and the headphones sold separately. So this product, it doesn't come with any accessories. You have to buy it separately. This is a very good marketing for Apple. For me personally, why I choose the Sierra Blue color for my iPhone, because few months ago I bought this AirPod Max from Apple and the color is Sierra Blue. So when last week Apple announces that they're gonna produce the Sierra blue color on the new iPhone. I'm already falling in love with it, and I want to get this color. So I am so lucky to get what I want, guys. I'm continuing to set up this iPhone step by step. The iCloud backup is just finished. It took few hours to do it because I got so many data, especially pictures and video. The Apple Wallet, I'm not sure. I don't want to set it up. I never set it up Apple Wallet, so I'm gonna skip it. Siri, I'm gonna skip it as well. And then voila, it's the new iPhone, and it gives me the option to re-enter all my password for my emails, but I'm gonna do it later one by one. And now, as you can see, because I have the backup in iCloud, every app that I have from my previous phone, it's gonna be in this phone, the new phone as well. Even the wallpaper, the everything, it's gonna be the same. Well, it seems like it's the old phone but new, you know. Actually, I like it this way. And if you use the same Apple ID for all your devices, you will be prompted with a notification in one of your devices that your Apple ID has been used to log in to a new phone or any other devices. This is a good thing that I like when you are using same Apple ID, so you will know which devices that log in into your Apple ID, so no one can misuse your Apple ID. You can also log out from the phone that you are using or the device that you are using. Okay, in here I'm just gonna choose the privacy for my email activities, and you can use whatever your preference, and then the email will be uploaded automatically, but everything, it takes time, because for me, I have a lot of emails that I kept in my inboxes, in my folders, so it will take some time for the system to reload all my emails. Every year, guys, Apple always come up with a very cool wallpaper, and for the 13th edition wallpaper, of course, they come up with something amazing. This wallpaper have so many choices of colors, and also it's super different with the previous one. Okay, but for me, I'll keep my wallpaper because it's the photo, the pictures of my son before he's born and once he's born. So I'm gonna keep it that way, even though I love this cool wallpaper, but I'm not gonna use it for the meantime. Okay, and I don't think I will use it anyway. But for you, if you like it, you can use it, and it's just showing you that this is the new version of Apple, the latest version of Apple. So I'm gonna keep this one for my son's pictures because this is the best wallpaper for me. Another thing, there is something different here, guys. If you are using Safari a lot, you will notice the difference in the iPhone 13, especially the Pro Max one, because that's what I have. The search bar is placed in the bottom of the screen, not on the top, because normally in the previous iPhone that I have, it's always placed on the top. I'm not sure if this can be removed to the top or it is now just in the below the bottom of the screen. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comment if you think this can be removed, because now in the new iPhone, the iOS 15, you can also group your tab. Okay, you can make a tab group where you can collect, for example, like an album. So if this website is only about fashion, or only about shopping, or only about gadget, you know, or only about news from all over the world, so you can do grouping like that, which is, for me, it's very cool, because normally I have 10 to 20 tabs open and it's just everywhere. So this is super cool, for new invention from Apple, from Google, no, it's not from Google, it's from Apple. So I'm super happy with this because it's more organized. Now I'm gonna try their camera, guys, because this camera is the most that make me excited about this version of Apple. They have the new cinematic mode, which is super cool when I see it in the event. So now I'm already falling in love with it, because even in the photo you have a lot of photographic styles that you can choose, and also the zooming is amazing, guys. You gotta try this, and I'm gonna try it now so you can see the new iPhone 13 screen. The lighting is more cool than the previous one. So that was the same cinematic mode, and the rest is more likely is the same. So the cinematic mode, it says it gives you the result as if the one in the theater, in the cinema. Now I'm trying this camera using the cinematic mode, and now I found out that when you click and there is like a yellow square coming up, so whatever in that yellow square, it's going to be clear, and the rest of it outside the yellow square is gonna be blurred. So you can just tap quickly, and then it will change where you want to be the yellow square. It will change automatically, and the blurry also will change automatically wherever you tap it. Another new thing as well, the camera for photography, they also have an amazing zoom that it's really giving you into the detail. The zoom is still size 1, 2, 3, but if you choose the size 3, and you can still zoom it more. So I will try it on, I was trying it on the tissue, now I will try it on something else. Now I'm trying it in the super black fabrics. Okay, if you choose the first option of zooming, you can see it's just like a normal, but if you choose the second option of zooming, number 1, you can see it already, it's super close, and you can see the details of the fabrics. You can even see the dust there. Look, I'm gonna make it closer. See, you can see all the dust there, the white thing. It is amazing, guys. This is what excites me from this version of iPhone Pro Max. So I'm super excited. If you want to use this phone to take a panoramic view, I think it's gonna be amazing. You can take it from the distance, but however, it's still gonna look very close. So I can't wait to take a lot of pictures with this phone, and also video because of the cinematic mode. Now I'm gonna take a quick video of an object, and then you will see the difference, guys. I'm using the cinematic mode, and as you can see, whenever there is the yellow square, the part of the yellow square, it will be very clear, and the rest of the part is going to be blurred. And if you want to change the part where you want it to be clear and where you want it to be blurred, you just tap on the part that you want to be clear, and then the yellow square, it will move automatically. Okay, and the rest of the part outside the yellow square is going to be blurred. This is super cool because it gives you more focus on the screen, on the camera. So I am definitely gonna use this phone a lot for my YouTube channel, and you will see a lot of more videos coming from my YouTube channel. Okay, and now I'm just going to review more about the camera, guys. The screen, the color of the screen for the iPhone 13 Pro Max is more cooler than the previous iPhone. The one that I have now is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, I think XX Max or Pro Max, something like that. I'm gonna turn on the brightness in the same level. Okay, so you can see the difference. It's comparable head to head, but you can see the difference that the iPhone 11 is more warm, while the iPhone 13 Pro Max is more cool. So this is definitely different, and I like more cool color than warm color. So this is exactly the iPhone for me. I'm not sure about you, but I think with all the new features in the new iPhone 13, you can choose, if you remember what I say in the beginning, that you can choose different color style, photography style. So you can choose the color there if you want it more warmth or if you want it more cooler. So definitely it's a preference of a different people. So but for me, this iPhone, it's worth buying. If you are queuing in the store to get this, it's worth queuing. So definitely I advise you to get it. Here's another example of the camera. So I'm using this iPhone Pro Max, iPhone 13 Pro Max, to take a pictures the same object, and I'm gonna use my other iPhone. It's not too old iPhone, it's iPhone 11, to take also the same object, okay, from the same distance, and then you will see the difference of the result. It is totally different, guys. The iPhone 13 Pro Max, it gives you a very professional result compared to the other iPhone. So good luck for you who is willing to get this iPhone 13, and I hope you guys enjoy the new iPhone 13 as much as I do. Bye.